Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 3 altcoins to buy right now at the end of October. So as you guys can see right now, in the past 24 hours, the market is down about 4.02%. So 4% down, which is a huge move downwards, I guess you could say. Our top gainer here in the past 24 hours is going to be Krill, which is up about 72.61%. And our second top one is going to be Shiba Inu, which has been destroying it. We'll cover that one towards the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Highest volume, like usual, is going to be Bitcoin at 43.7 billion, Ethereum at 26.3 billion. So volume is definitely picking up, but both of these coins are tremendously down since pretty much this morning actually yesterday morning on Wednesday. So here Bitcoin trading at 58,750, down about 3.12%. Ethereum is down about almost 5%, trading right under $4,000 per coin. So not too bad for Ethereum, but Bitcoin is definitely taking a little bit of a beating. We see Binance Coin is down 5%, Cardano 9%, Solana 7%, Ripple 9%, Polkadot 8%, Shiba Inu is up over 72%, so that's just insane right there. Shiba Inu continues to go on higher. It had actually passed Dogecoin in the market cap, so right now Shiba's market cap is at 31.7 billion, Doge is at 31.6, and actually at one point earlier, Shiba was actually even higher than right here, the USD coin. So Shiba just continues to push on higher and higher. We were trading in the 8s, so the digits were 8 right here, so 0.00008 at one point we were trading at. As you guys can obviously see here, all these altcoins are down between 5 and 10% or today, and obviously we have 2 outliers, which is Krill and Shiba Inu. So before we get into the rest of the video, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, let's get into it. So the first altcoin we're going to be talking about is going to be Uniswap. As you guys can see here, I guess it was a Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. We saw a huge dump here happen with the crypto market. Uniswap is down over 8.5% or so, from $28 all the way down to about 24. In the past week, we're down about 6.6%. Past month, we're up about 1%, and then on the 1-year chart, obviously this coin is up over 766%. So last year Uniswap was trading at $2.38. We hit highs here obviously in May at around $45. So at one point this coin was up over 1,000% or so in just a few months, and then obviously from that May time period we pulled back down all the way to about $14 in July, came back up all the way to 31. So we made about 100% gain right there. Then we pulled back down, consolidating right now, and obviously waiting to see what the rest of the market does. So as the large cap coins tend to go on higher, the mid cap and the low cap coins tend to follow the same patterns. And right now Uniswap is following the pattern of the big coins, which is obviously a pullback. So we're seeing a slight pullback in the market, and obviously all these altcoins are down 5-10% very, very quickly. So as the Bitcoin and Ethereum go down, the other ones are going to get beaten even harder. So if we take a look down here, 14.9 billion market cap currently on Uniswap. Volume in the past 24 hours at 679 million, which is around 23% higher than usual. Typical hold time is going to be 29 days. It is ranked the number 10 coin right now, 51% buy activity, and we have 49% sell activity on here. Uniswap obviously is an Ethereum token that powers Uniswap, an automated liquidity provider that's designed to make it easy to exchange Ethereum tokens. Now there's no order book or central facilitator on Uniswap. Instead, tokens are exchanged through liquidity pools that are defined by smart contract. How does all of this work? Well, obviously, if you guys are want to get more into detail right here, you guys can figure out how actually Uniswap works. But some things to keep in mind. Now the DEXs have a range of risks, so do your own research. Obviously, impermanent loss can result from pairing a more volatile cryptocurrency with a less volatile one in a liquidity pool. Bugs in smart contracts can be exploited, and anyone can create a token. So watch out for the rug pools as well. That's another big thing that everybody has to obviously watch. So definitely something to be interesting in. If you want to dive in more into Uniswap, do some more research and see if it fits your criteria. It fits my criteria currently, and there's obviously about 100% upside just to get back to the all-time highs, which will be trading at around 30 billion market cap. As right now it's at around 14.9 billion. So Uniswap is definitely one of those coins that I'm going to be watching for the future to see how it's going to perform for the long run. So Uniswap number 1. Our second altcoin is going to be Binance Coin, one of the more popular coins, BNB. This one yesterday, it was trading around $484, pulled back down all the way to about 440, consolidated here in the 450s pretty much throughout Wednesday and now going into Thursday. Now in the past week, this one is down about 3.5%. Past month, it's up 31%. And then on the 1-year chart, obviously this one went from about $30 on the low, so over 1,393%, which is insane. Obviously, $1,000 invested into Binance Coin would have returned you about almost $14,000 profit. So that's insane. Obviously insane returns. We saw highs here at $690 per coin in May, pulled back down with the whole market, obviously to about 200 or so, and then we came back up. Now we're seeing ups and downs, obviously, in these patterns, but obviously there is an uptrend that we're seeing in the long-term spectrum right there. So currently this one is at 75.6 billion market cap. We see volume is at 2.4 billion, which is around 58% higher than usual than what we see. Binance Coin, if you're not familiar with this one, is obviously a cryptocurrency used to, pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid in Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount. So with this one hitting those highs at 690, we have about a 50% upside just to get back to those all-time highs, I guess you could say, which would give us about 110 billion market cap or so, which is still undervalued in my opinion for Binance, as it is a bigger coin. Top 3, top 4, obviously, depending on how Binance and Cardano are doing. They're usually in the top 3 or 4, but they're very, very far away from Ethereum and Bitcoin, obviously, but that's a normal thing. Binance is a great, thing to be looking at. So definitely do some more research and take a look at this coin and see if it fits for you. I personally think that Binance is one of the safer coins, in my opinion, for the long term. So that's going to be our second coin. And then last but not least, we have Polkadot, DOT. So this one in the past 24 hours is down almost 9% from $45. We saw it hit lows of 38, pulled back up to about $41 or so, and continued to go sideways all day on Wednesday. Now here on Thursday, we see it, same levels. In the past week, we're down about 1.5%. Past month, we're up over 41.6% on Polkadot from lows of $27. In the past year, this one is up 771%. Last year, we were trading around just $4, so over 1,000% gain just from that time period. Now, obviously, we saw these highs here in February, new high, lower lows, higher highs. We kept on seeing that, obviously, here in May, close to $50 or so, pulled back down all the way down to about $10, so about a 70 to 80% downtrend we saw here until July to $10, pull back up, continue to go higher and higher, and we hit highs of about $44, $45 at one point as it continues to move on higher and higher. So from that $10 level all the way to that $45 level, that was about a 300, almost 350% gain right there in a matter of 2 or 3 months. So that's definitely something that we like to see in the market. Currently 40.4 billion market cap, and if we were to get back to the all-time highs, obviously that would be another 20%, 25% value. So let's just say we'd be trading at around a 50 billion market cap. Current volume is up 59% higher than usual at 2.8 billion. Typical hold time is 28 days and is ranked the number 6 coin. 63% buy activity, 37% sell activity. Now this one, Polkadot, is a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset. By uniting multiple blockchains, Polkadot aims to achieve higher degrees of security and scalability. Now DOT serves as the protocol's governance token that can be used for staking to secure the network or connect new chains. How does all this work? Well, Polkadot uses a proof of stake consensus mechanism, obviously, to secure the network, verify transactions, and create and distribute new DOT. There are several ways DOT holders can interact with the staking system, depending on how much time, technical knowledge, and money they want to devote. By staking and participating in the network, they may be able to receive DOT rewards. Some things to keep in mind though with this one: the reason Polkadot can be process all of this information is because many parachains do a lot of the heavy lifting for the main relay chain. As a result, the Polkadot network can process more than 1,000 transactions per second, compared to about 7 for Bitcoin and 30 for Ethereum. So it's definitely destroying both of those out of the park. As the network grows and more parachains are added, Polkadot should get even faster with speeds that could hit 1 million transactions per second, which would be insane, obviously, compared to some of these bigger coins. So this one right here, Polkadot, is definitely a winner for the long term, in my opinion. So guys, those are the 3 altcoins that we're going to be covering. Now, let's take a quick look, just see what the rest of the market is doing. Like we said, Solana down about 7.5%. We're back under 200. We're at 185 right now. We saw Doge pull back about 7%, trading at 24 cents, even though its cousin right there, Shiba Inu, is destroying the market right now. We don't even know what's going on with this. I mean, if we take a look here in the past 24 hours, this one is up over 70%. I mean, we almost made 100% gain just in the past 24 hours. In the past week, we're up over 181%. Past month, 1,008%. So if anybody got in just about a month ago, beginning of October, end of September, I guess you could say, you made over 1,000%. So if you invested $1,000 into Shiba Inu, you would have about $10,000 profit right now just from this coin in the past month, which is insane, obviously, as it just continues to boom on higher and higher. This is the new meme coin right now, something that's everybody's interested in. So 31.5 billion market cap, currently beating Dogecoin. So then we have Bitcoin, which is down about 3% today from highs of 62,000 almost all the way to lows of about 58. Now, in the past week, this one's down 11%. So we did see highs last week at 67,000, and we're down almost about $9,000 from that high. So that was the all-time high, and now we've just been on a downtrend, which is obviously fine. We're still up almost 40% the past month, 342% in the past year. Obviously, this one kind of went up high. Now we're seeing a pullback consolidation time period, and then another leg up is what we're going to be hoping for into November and December. So it just needs to cool off a little bit. 1.1 trillion market cap, 36% of the crypto market space. Volume is up 24% higher than usual at 43.7 billion. 55% buy, 45% sell activity on that one. Ethereum trading under 4,000 once again, down 4.5%. Yesterday we were trading at 4,300 at one point. In the past month or past week, we're up 2%. Past month, 29%, and then on the 1-year chart, 877%. So Ethereum is still holding steady. It's actually holding a lot steadier than Bitcoin is, but also Bitcoin kind of exploded on faster than Ethereum has in the recent few months. So right here, 466.9 billion market cap, which is 15% of the crypto market space currently. Volume is up 53% higher than usual at 26.3 billion. We have trading activity at 61% buy and 39% sell activity, guys. So crypto is definitely on a little bit of a downtrend right now. Obviously, we did talk about how the stock market would affect the crypto space, how earnings would affect it, as we have some big companies reporting earnings obviously in the next few days, and we've already had a couple in the past few days. So crypto and stocks, they're going to be very intertwined and connected. So definitely something to be keeping in mind, guys. So if you enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button for me, guys. It shows support on the channel. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand that there's a high risk, high reward type situation when you're investing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.